G'day guys, today I'm going to show you all the different ways you can use the power fold with your Landcruiser 300 series. So first things first, with the fob. So currently the car's locked, the mirrors are in. So if I hit the unlock button with the fob, mirrors will come out. Get them to go back in, you can hit the lock button again and they'll go back in. So that's the auto fold feature working. The next one is with the door handle. Now you do need the key close to the door handle for it to work. If it's too far away it won't work. But if you have it just in your hand, use your other hand to open the door, they'll automatically fold back out. Another way is on the inside panel of the door, you've got your power fold button just up here next to your glass adjuster. So this one up here, if you have it flat, that's the automatic feature working. Now if you have it down or pushed all the way up, that automatic feature won't work. So keep it nice and flat and that fob will always work. Also, another way to get your mirrors to auto fold out is just to simply start the car and they'll automatically fold back out. Alrighty, and the biggest one, the biggest one, is every time you lock the car, the mirrors will fold in. And that's all the different ways that you can use the power fold on your Landcruiser 300 series.